Hello there. So today's video will be about installing NSX-T, and I will be creating a new video series about NSX-T. Well, the first step is to do the initial installation, and my next videos will be about, well, installing the controllers, the edges, the configuration, and to set up a simple NSX-T lab with networking. So let's start. One of the first steps is to deploy the N60 Ovf, so let's do that. So I am selecting the appliance. And let's give it a nice name. Something like this. Let's put it on this server here. And hit next. I want to do a small deployment or configuration because this is only for testing purposes. Well, the VLAN that I'm going to install it on is my VLAN 101. And here are some settings that I need to let's do that again. So I'll leave this default. As you can see, this is the password for the admin username, and this is the password for an audit username. I will not put in a self-created one, but I will just use the default one. There's also a password for root. Now let's set the DNS settings and make sure that you have this NSX-T fully qualified domain name also in the DNS server. Right now I'm using the 10.100.1.93 as my DNS server. NSX-T.local, which is my domain search list. Network properties. The hostname is NSX-T-NSXM01.NSXT.local. My IP address is 10.100.1. .173. Something like this, and well, In terms of services, let's enable SSH and the Ntp Server, which is the same as my DNS server. Let me just do a quick check. I think we should be okay, so let's hit next. Let's do a quick check. Yeah, this looks okay. So let's hit finish. And here below you'll see that it's importing the package and it's deploying the OVF template. So now we wait. Well, the OVF template is deployed. So you can see here that it's powered off. So let's power it on. And let's see what it does in terms of console. Here, it started up. Now you can see that I can log in. A lot of things happening. I'm probably allowed to log in with the audit or admin user account. Now let's see if I can access it. Let's log in with our default admin username. Let's hit continue or read the end user license agreement and check that I've understand it. Yes. So here you go. We see the dashboard. In my next video, I will explain how the controllers are installed and also configured with this NSX Manager. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.